Hello, in this video we will give you instructions on how to buy crypto on Binance with a beginner's guide to investing in cryptocurrency. First of all, you need to have an account at Binance. You can click on the registration link in the description box to get a welcome reward from Binance. Remember to click on the link in the description box to get a welcome reward up to $1,000 from Binance when you create a new account. Also, you can refer to our tutorial video with step-by-step registration guide in the description box. I posted registration link with exclusive offer as well as the video link there. After creating a Binance account successfully, you use your phone, download the Binance app here, then launching the Binance account on your phone with the downloaded Binance app. This is the interface of Binance after you launching into your account. To buy crypto, you click on Wallets. Next, you click on Funding here. Then you click on P2P. This is the P2P interface to buy and sell crypto. You can click on Buy here to buy crypto. Next, you select the currency here. Click on this one. For example, I select VND, Vietnamese Dong. Then you choose the coin here. For example, I select USDT. Then you click on filter icon here for Binance to filter the sellers. Next, you enter the amount of money you want to use to buy crypto into this amount section. Then you can choose the payment time limit you want here at payment time limit minute section. If you select 15 here, the transaction will last 15 minutes and the transaction will end if it is not completed in 15 minutes. Next, you choose the payment method. For example, I choose Bank Transfer Vietnam. Then you select the country or region here. For example, I select Vietnam. Next, you select the factor you want to short buy here. For example, I select price. The seller will be shorted by price. Finally, you click Confirm. Then you can see the filtered sellers that match your needs here. Among these different sellers, these are the factors that you need to consider before buying crypto. First, the votes rating. This is the rate that users who bought crypto voted for each seller. This is the most important factor that proves that the buyer is reliable. The second factor you should consider is the yellow tick here. These are the verified buyer by Binance. They can be more reliable. The third factor you need to consider is the trading amount and successful rate here. Large trading amount and high successful rate prove that the seller will complete the transactions. And the last factor is price. The lower price is, the more crypto you can buy with the same amount of money. The price is nearly the same. You can choose the best price as you want. After choosing the seller, you click on Buy here to buy crypto. Then you will see this interface. You can buy crypto or buy fiat or buy crypto here. If you choose buy crypto, you enter the number of USDT you want to buy into this quantity section. For example, I enter 7. Then you will see the exact amount of money you need to pay and the processing fee here. I will buy USDT by fiat, so I click on buy fiat. Then enter the amount of money you want to use to buy crypto. After that, you will see the quantity of crypto you will buy here, 7.72 USDT and processing fee. Next, you read the terms here carefully, then click place order. Then your order is created here. You can click on chat here to chat with the seller if you want. Otherwise, you click on view payment details to make payment. This is the payment details. Remember to check the full name, bank name, and account number carefully before sending money. And make sure you copy this RIF message and send this RIF message exactly when you transfer money. If there are any problems or questions, you can click on check here to check with the seller. After sending money, you click on transfer, notify seller. After I make payment, the crypto has been delivered to my funding wallet already here. Alright, we have just given you instructions on how to buy crypto on Binance, a beginner's guide to investing in cryptocurrency. You can subscribe our channel to get notifications of new useful videos. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.